Hi all, welcome to the video series on problems and solutions, where we create solutions for the day-to-day challenges using latest technology. So, let's understand. What was the problem that we wanted to solve? It was about watering the plants daily, where we were having few challenges. Let's talk about them one by one. Our main challenge was that we tend to forget watering the plants. Due to day-to-day busy schedules related to work and travel, we also wanted to reduce manual effort of watering the plants and reduce water spillage on the floor. With the challenges that we had, we wanted to build a best solution and automate our task of watering the plants. Let's now see how we have integrated the products to finally get to the solution. The list of products required were a water tank, or big bucket also will work. However, we used our water tank that was installed earlier, a small air cooler pump, drip irrigation system, a Wi-Fi, smart plug. In this solution we are using the TP-Link's TAPO's mini smart Wi-Fi plug, which we purchased from Amazon. A Wi-Fi router with a working internet connection. Finally, it's a smartphone with an internet data pack for installing the application related to the Wi-Fi smart plug. In this video our prime focus is not to showcase the installation procedure of each product, rather to showcase how the solution is working for the small setup of roof garden that we have. So in this video you can see how our roof garden looks like and how is the drip irrigation system installed for each plant. This is the water tank where the water is stored and pumped to the plants when pump switches on automatically. Now let's get to the smartphone and open the TAPO mobile application and see what all options that we are currently using to automate the regular watering plants task. Once we open the application, this is how the interface looks like. Before we see how the watering task is automated or scheduled, let's see how the feature of on and off which can be operated remotely. Also observe the notifications that pop up. We shall be discussing about them in the later part of the video. Now let's see how we have used the schedule feature available in the application to automate the plant's watering task. In this we have added multiple on and off entries that works automatically at the scheduled time. Note that each set of schedule runs for 1 minute. Once the plug comes to on state, water is pumped to the plants for 1 minute and then goes back to the off state. In peak summer we keep all the set of schedules to be running, and if it is raining, we switch off few schedules by using the toggle button present at the right of each event. Note that the maximum entries that can be added under schedule is 32. Now once the on event occurs, a notification will be pushed to the user saying that the plug is on and parallelly on the Wi-Fi plug a green LED lights up. You can also see how the drip system installed is watering the plants. This part of the video demonstrates the off state. Now let's see how we have written the notification triggers in the TAPO application, under the Smart tab of the application. Where once, when the Wi-Fi plug changes its state to on, trigger is executed. Where once, when the Wi-Fi plug changes its state to off, trigger is executed. All the triggers are executed on the cloud. Finally, we wanted to monitor the roof garden remotely, so thus we have installed CCTV camera to check if there is any water that is spilling out. This usually happens when it rains. Let's now open the Heat V-Zone CCTV application and see the views. Finally, the value that we have created with this solution is reduced human effort by scheduling the task to automation, and increased productivity, where we automated our regular task of watering the plants, which would take up 15 to 20 minutes of each day. Now there is no chance of forgetting, as everything is scheduled. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you have any suggestions, please share them in the comment section below.